I'm going to show you guys how to make a QLab project and add delays. So between pressing go and playing the audio cue. So I'm going to open QLab and share my screen again. All right, so I have QLab here and I'm going to create a new workspace. And now I open that. So I just added these two cues from a folder by just dragging them in. So say I want on this cue, when I press go, I want it to wait 5 seconds and then it actually plays. I would go to the basics tab and then I can edit the pre-wait and set this to say 5 seconds. So this is minutes, seconds, and then milliseconds. So I can set it to 5 seconds. And now as you can see here, it's set this to 5. You can also have the same thing for post wait. So if you have an auto continue and you still want some time in between, you can set the post wait. Say you want like 5 seconds. On the first one, it would play this, wait 5 seconds, and then auto play this one. But you can also do the same thing by having a pre-wait on the second one. So if I press this, it waits 5 seconds, and then it's gonna play this. And then I just pressed escape, which is how you stop the cue while it's playing. And then just like in the video covered from before, if I add a stop, there's no target because nothing was selected when I pressed it. So I'm just gonna undo that. And then if I select this and add a stop, now it says stop this. So if I press go on this, it waits 5 seconds again. And then it plays this. And then if I press go again, it runs this one which stops it. If these two are one right after the other, it's not that useful because you can just press escape. So it's more useful if you have something like that, where you have something in the middle. So yeah, so that's what I realized wasn't in the YouTube video. And during the show, you won't see all these settings and stuff because you might accidentally press something. So the QLab actually has a show mode. If I go here, this is all you see because all you need during a show is the go button and be able to see the notes. So obviously it's blank right here because we didn't add any notes, but like if you do, you'll see your notes for this cue, then you'll see your notes for this cue, then for this one. So and there's just go, and then that's it.